Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about PPC. What is PPC? PPC stands for pay per click. Basically, it's an organic way of bringing traffic to your website by paying some amount per click. You're paying the publisher like Google Ads, Bing Ads, and so on. There are a lot of PPC publishers are there. Google Ads stands as number one. So how to decide if PPC is a good fit for your business? What is Google Ads? How to select the best Google PPC option for your strategy? So likewise, you need to do a research on the following. Let's see what are the essentials for a PPC campaign. Number one, find the best and the most relevant keywords for your business. A PPC without irrelevant keywords will not take you anywhere. So find the best keywords. Try to use keyword search tool like Ubersuggest or Google Keyword Planner. That's an important aspect. The next one is you need to define your target audience. What are the age, demographics, and etc. Interest, likewise. So you need to define your target audience. And third one is you can be focused on small ad groups. Instead of targeting a larger audience, you can try focusing on small ad groups, which can give a better result. And the next one is don't forget the negative keywords. What are negative keywords? Google it and find out, because negative keywords are very essential. And the next one is CTA, call to action, which is another important aspect of your PPC campaign. And the next one are the landing pages. Create an amazing landing page. Each topic, what I was just saying, it's like I can talk about that, but I'm just cutting it short before I go to the next video. So I'm giving a small essential things when you do a PPC campaign. And as well as when you do Google Ads, you need to see what are the ad extensions which will be essential for you. So there are so many extensions in Google PPC campaign. Go and see that, have a look at Google Ads, and you can browse and check. So you need to be very careful, find out which extension will match your business. And then try A/B testing of your campaign. And you need to monitor, once everything is set, monitor your campaign very closely. Sometimes if it doesn't perform well, you need to tweak it, alter, try to change your filters, and you need to update your campaign regularly. So then you can get the best out of the PPC campaign. And sometimes some of the businesses which are new, which could not rank on the search on the first page of Google, I would suggest them to try PPC, which will definitely be helpful. Of course, start with a small budget. Then you see if that can bring you business, then you can jump into it. So that's all about PPC. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.